How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for recording with ShareX. So obviously there isn't the one best truly setting. It can depend on your system's specification. And so the first thing that we want to do is to navigate through the task setting. And simply in here, let's click on the screen recorder. Click on the screen recording options to simply view all of the available settings that we have. And then the first thing that you want to edit out is actually the video encoder. So if you're using something like a graphics card, in my case, I'm using the NVIDIA. Therefore, my best option right here is going to be the H.264 NVENC. This is the driver supported for NVIDIA, and it works great, especially if you're screen recording. Now for preset, of course, once again, this can depend on your computer. But if you're doing something like, or if your computer supports it, you could basically choose something like slowest or slower. But just to be safe, I'm just going to choose the medium quality. Now for tune, just leave it at low latency. And for bitrate, it's going to be the same. As a normal, it's going to be 128. So you could choose above the option right here, depending on your system's specification. So from there, you also want to exit out of the option right here. And then for the screen recording FPS, once again, it's going to be the same thing. Now I recommend just recording at 30 FPS because most people don't even use 60 FPS monitor. So 30 can actually works great. And from there, you are simply good to go. You can make a few adjustments depending on your preference, but that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.